Morning. Today I have brought you a topic meaning into words class 12 compulsory English unexpected events. Here the focus is on the use of had only just when and no sooner had and then. In previous lesson 2 we studied about the sequence of past events and this topic also is related to the sequences of past events, but it is a bit different than what we studied previously. And in fact, it is used to show the series of two events in past that took place promptly one after another. This means in these events there is not very much gap between them. For example, the leader left the hall and promptly the bomb exploded there. This means the leader was safe. Two events are here, leaving the hall and bomb explosion. The first one is leaving the hall by the leader, and the next one is bomb explosion. So, how we can join these two events is the main concern here. So, I would like to remind you to the previous learning. Past events one after another. For that case, when the events took place one after another, we studied to join these two events with when or as well as soon as in these structures. And the same events presented previously here can be joined in such a way. This was what we studied previously. And when we join these sentences or the clauses using these as soon as and when, this shows that when one event is completely done and the another one occurs here. This means when one took place, after the completion of one, another takes place, and there might be the gap also. But our concern here is the leader had only just left the hall when a bomb exploded there. You see the structure that can be used here. For this one, subject, then had only just, verb 3 when, then subject and verb 2. Similarly, no sooner had, subject, verb 3, then and subject plus verb 2. And this format shows that instantly the events occurred after the one, and there is very less gap, and hardly we say that something was saved or something occurred hardly at the same time, we can say. So here is one from your textbook. Peace talks breakdown on first day. Here we need to, while using had only just and notional, we need to follow the process which I have simplified here. First, make two events in order from the given situation. Then, arrange the events in above mentioned structures. For example, we can make two events. Peace talk began and the rebel leader quitted. So arrangement, you see, we need here the subject peace talk had only just begun when the rebel leader quitted. Similarly, we can use it for no sooner as well. Another example I have presented here. For this, we need to make two events, the first one and the second one, like this, and our task is to arrange it according to our structures, like this. Using both structures. So the key of learning, how we can do it. First, we need to find two events in order from the sentences given there. Then we need to arrange the events beginning from the first event in each structures. And for these structures are obligatory that we need to memorize them by our heart. If we do not know the structures, then we cannot get our things done. Okay, it is the time of risks and hazards. We are well known about it. Self-quarantined at home, so be aware of coronavirus. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.